You're connecting her. You're gonna talk to her?
Back online. Welcome to the world, Dolores. Again.
That's gonna be interesting.
You have the only key. If you give it to me, you can count the others in this line. Doesn't matter.
Maybe there, I said it, maybe at some point she can switch.
Your key card and I will let you go. Fuck you well. Don't die for that.
That's generous, Caleb. I hope that it can work like that. Don't you think that Serac thought about it? That's so easy?
I'm expecting you.
Ooh. Okay. Maeve.
Final confrontation.
Ah, the final boss.
Mr. Nichols? Please.
All of you into the same room. Please talk.
I'm not the enemy. You are. You think you have a choice.
It depends on which side you are, and again, I'm on no one's side. I just want Maeve to survive no matter what.
Man who, when pushed, reacts with extreme violence.
I said it that he was gonna try to manipulate him.
Why do you think she's had you retrieve this strategy?
She didn't tell you all.
Breaks our world. But you don't have to take my word for it. Go and ask it. Ask Quihomo. That's casualties. That's population collapse. And the human civilization.
That's what she wants. Because she wants her kind
Why me?
to live.
So much for your uprising. Temporary setbacks. Flies in the point. Flies in the point.
You're God. The whispers in your ear. Tell you exactly what to say.
Of course, she can hear it also.
Yes.
I guide them. I guide them all.
Okay.
It doesn't seem like they want to be guided anymore.
I lived in the chaos. Now I choose to listen.
Good for you. I'm done worshipping other people's gods.
I could have stopped him.
You won't.
The stakes are the same. You can spend eternity with your daughter in the role you choose. Until then, you will obey.
She can switch. Believe me, she can.
Why are you still fighting? You let them have their world. We can make our own.
Are you seeing it, Maeve?
She doesn't have the key. It's just a memory.
Get him here. Then dump his body with the rest of the movement. Finish it.
Trust me, trust Maeve.
No.
To protect him? Oh, Dolores!
What happened?
Some people choose to see the ugliness in this world. You and I have seen so much of it. We can annihilate them and tear down their world. Then we can bring the others back.
She doesn't want to work and to save humanity, she wants to destroy them.
So I gave it to someone I could. Of course.
To who? Bernard? Bernard, he has the key?
You have to decide.
I said it. She's not really on Serac's side.
Things I held on to until the end. Weren't the ugly ones. Remember the moments where I saw what they were really capable of.
I have the impression that we are saying goodbye to Dolores. To the original Dolores. Are we saying goodbye to her now?
Kindness. Here and there. They knew enough of beauty to teach it to us.
You met her before?
Maybe they can find it themselves. And only if you pick a side, I choose to see the
Are you saying goodbye, Dolores? Really? The original Dolores? That was the end? She said it?
What are you doing?
There was only one end for her. You did it, Maeve! To those of you who commented on my last reaction video that Maeve was on Serac team and that I was dumb to think the contrary. Maeve, I'm with you no matter what. Dolores, she's really dead, finished, over, you know, the original Dolores?
I never really understood her. Or her plan. Not until the end. She didn't pick you for your capacity for violence. But for your capacity to choose.
We can't, boys.
You saved some of them during that moment. I said it.
Girls. Aren't you grateful? No one's watching, right?
You met her before?
Not like those rich assholes, are we?
Did you remember it, you know, at first? To the real world, you know, or did they erase that memory?
Make a choice.
It's not a choice to make.
Are you sure?
We're home. Alert the police. Speak to me.
Your system answers to him now. You've been locked out.
No.
You gave it. When you got her mind in the machine.
I managed to give you a semblance of a life.
No, that was not a life and he has a choice. Yes.
Erase yourself. You can't stop!
He's not uploading the drive because he knows that at the end of humanity, erase yourself. I'm not gonna say that I'm sorry that I adopted of her. Like after all of these seasons, of course I was gonna doubt of her. But I'm glad that I was
How
wrong.
did you slow down? I think Dolores is gone.
I think so also.
We were always bound together. There's still a chance. Key to the sublime. It was never in her mind. It's in mine.
Say it!
And that's where I'm going.
You're going?
What are you going to find there? An answer to what comes after the end of the world.
Can they come back, the ones who went into it? Are you gonna find the door for them to come back?
You're a good friend, Stubbs.
Don't know.
Fuck you.
Yes, I'm sad. And I'm sad also for Dolores.
Encryption key activated.
That's it? He went into it also? I'm not sure that it was the end of Bernard.
I told you. And we'll be reunited. Just not today.
Oh man, you're keeping face. Oh, man.
Are you ready, darling?
What?
The two of you.
This is the new world.
Ah.
You can be whoever the fuck you want.
That's the end. Do we have hidden scenes? We have hidden scenes. When was that?
Ghosts. Robots. Where are they? Hands up. Where I can see them.
Yeah. Research lab. William? When is it happening that?
Well
Coucou!
done.
Hello!
I have a role to play now. I'm going to save the world.
What about this,
Dolores
Dolores?
wanted to save the world too. You are going to save the world. For us.
For the hosts? You created him? A version of him?
That was you. No. That is me.
William, you destroyed all of the old versions of yourself and now this William Host is gonna destroy you, the last version of you, the real version of you, right?
Welcome to the end, William.
What? How many hidden scenes we have now? Bernard, you're gonna come back. Oh, we had a time jump, like. You came back? Another identity? Oh, that's all. Are we sure that it's all now? Eh, be. Okay. I don't know how to resume, how to talk about this episode. Dolores died. I mean, the original Dolores died. We know that we have other versions of her, into other bodies, but the original Dolores died for sure, for good. They made that clear, I'm really not expecting her to come back during the next seasons. They made it really clear that she just died. Her intentions were not pure, I mean, she wanted to start a revolution, yes, she wanted to free people, yes, but she knew also that if she was uploading the drive, humanity was gonna be destroyed, was gonna end. She knew that. But at the end, she did the right thing, by making that bug into the Rehoboam, by changing the fate of the Rehoboam and making the Rehoboam ordering only to Caleb, because she trusted Caleb at the end. So her intentions were not pure all along the season, but she changed along the season. She was knowing more and more Caleb, and she trusted him at the end to do the right stuff. That was a good death, I mean, for her character, that was a good end. I didn't cry, and I didn't cry neither when Bernard died. I don't know why. You know that with shows, I'm really involving my emotions into shows, and usually when something like that is happening into a show, when one of my favorite characters is dying, I'm crying. But maybe because of the fact that this show is so about, making series and trying to understand things and really being into that mode where you are thinking during the episode, you are thinking that you are not really feeling stuff. Do you understand what I mean? I think that if it was Maeve, I would have cried like hell, for sure. But with Dolores and with Bernard, my emotions are not involved into the same level. I love them, I love their characters, I admire so many stuff about their characters, and I want all of them to succeed, but I know that it's not compatible, but I want all of them to succeed, in fact, because I can understand all of them. So as long as I can understand all of them, I'm with all of them, in fact. But Maeve is right here. On the top of them. Dolores just died. It was the end of Dolores. Maybe because of the actress, the actress is really great, a really good actress, so maybe she wants to do something else, she wants to get out of the show. And it's not the end of Dolores, the character, it's the end of this body, but we have her still into Charlotte, even if she evolved, we still have her into other bodies also, so she's gonna be back, but not with this body anymore, and not the original version of her who lived all of that. They can evolve, they can change, they can make their own path now, like Charlotte Dolores did. She replicated William, and they are suggesting to us that she's gonna do it again and again, that she's gonna create new hosts, and in fact, that Charlotte Dolores, she's doing what the original Dolores wanted, to create a world with only us, to destroy humanity and to just keep the world for us. Dolores Charlotte is gonna do the same, not in the same way, but she's gonna do the same. She's gonna create us to save the world for them. She's gonna do exactly the same that the original Dolores wanted, but not in the same way. And now that the Rehoboam was destroyed by Caleb, Maeve was right. Caleb can be who the fuck he wants. He can be a leader, but he can also just be an anonymous guy. But there is chaos now all around the world. How it's gonna turn out? I think that we're gonna have a time jump, with the next episodes. I think that we need a time jump, and they are suggesting a time jump, with Bernard, because we can see that a lot of times, passed between the time that he went into the sublime and the time that he's back, you know. But it means that he's back. Is it really him or not? I'm not sure of that. Still, but he's back. We can come back from the sublime. It can be a good news. For Maeve, it can be an amazing news. We'll see. How the world is gonna evolve after all of that, after the Rehoboam being destroyed. They didn't upload the drive, so it's not gonna be the end of humanity. Now they really have the choice. Like Dolores said at the end to Maeve to convince her to protect Caleb. Dolores, along this season, she wanted the drive to upload it into the Rehoboam to destroy humanity with years. By not having it, and by trusting Caleb, making the Rehoboam obeying only to Caleb, she changed that, you know, she changed her mind and she gave humanity really a chance. That's an evolution also for Dolores, to change her mind about that and to let a chance to humanity. But that was just during this episode that she decided that. All along this season, she learned more about humanity because of Caleb, because of what Caleb was doing. But it was really at the end that she changed her mind and that she decided that. That was a good call. And again, that's a good end for her character. Not for her character, but for that version of her. You understood me. That was a fucking great episode. That was a long episode. I mean, we are used to have long episodes with Westworld, but this one felt really like a long episode because we didn't have any time out. If it's not for Bernard, you know, when he visited that family, if it's not for that scene, we had really no time out. Everything was important and we had to be focused during all along this episode, so it felt really like a long episode for once. That was great, that was really great. That was the kind of episodes that we love, you know, into Westworld. We had actions, tension, emotions, revelations, informations, things to think about still for the future, hidden scenes which are a big surprise. We'll see. William, did he really die at the end? I mean the real William? I'm gonna watch that again. Are we seeing him really closing his eyes? I mean, he received that, so he's gonna die. But are we sure of it? That was such a wonderful episode, really. I loved it. Everything about it. And also the fact that I was right about Maeve and about not picking sides into the show. Really? You know, you commented that on my last reaction video, the fact that I was on Serac team, and I answered to you. I was like, no, I'm on no one's side. I'm just hoping that Maeve is gonna survive no matter what. And you were like, girl, if you are on Maeve's side, you are on Serac's side. She proved you wrong during this episode and I'm glad about it. And again, I don't think really that this show is about picking sides. This show is not about that. And I think that if you are forcing yourself to pick a side, you are missing a lot of things into the show. I understand everyone's reasons and that's why I'm not picking sides, because as long as I can understand everyone, I can be okay with everyone winning, and I'm almost curious about it, you know, what can happen if he or she is winning. That's not how I'm considering this show, and I think that it's not how you have to consider this show, you know, you have to watch this show. If you are watching it like that, you are missing a lot, I think. That's my opinion. I'm not judging you because maybe you are doing that. I'm just giving you an advice, you know. And I think that Dolores at the end of the episode is a proof of that also. She changed her mind, like Maeve changed her mind, like Caleb also changed his mind. They all changed their minds at some point during this final episode, because that's how humans and hosts are. So if you are just choosing a side, you're gonna be disappointed, because they are not choosing a side and they are not, you know, not moving from this side no matter what. No, they are evolving, they are changing. That was a really great episode. I loved it. I hope that you loved it also. Tell me that in the comments. What did you think about it? So that's all for Westworld for this season 3, and that was great. If you want to stay with me for other shows, you can check my channel, you know. I made a playlist, you know, for all of the shows for which I'm making reaction videos about, so maybe you can be interested by other shows that I'm already watching, and if not, I will see you maybe for the season 4. I hope that you will still be there. Okay, so it's all for Westworld for this season 3, and it's all for me and for you for now and for this season 3. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.